You've probably seen the Coursiv AI ads everywhere. They claim you can master artificial intelligence in just a few weeks. But what exactly is Coursiv? Is it really worth your money? Or is it just another online course making big promises? In this video, we're going to break down exactly what Coursiv is, what you'll actually learn, who it's designed for, and whether it's the right investment for you. Let's dive in.
Coursiv AI tools. Right tool for each task. 28 days, 15 minutes a day.
So, what exactly is Coursiv? Simply put, Coursiv is an online learning platform that helps people understand and use artificial intelligence in their everyday work, studies, and business. Unlike traditional AI courses that focus on coding or complex machine learning concepts, Coursiv is designed for beginners. It teaches you how to use popular AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, Perplexity, Canva AI, and many others to write faster, do better research, create content, improve productivity, and automate everyday tasks. The goal isn't to turn you into an AI engineer. Instead, is to help you become more productive by using today's most powerful AI tools effectively. So, who is Coursiv actually designed for? The platform is built primarily for beginners and everyday professionals who want to use AI to work smarter. That includes students looking to improve their studies, business owners who want to save time and increase productivity, freelancers who want to deliver work more efficiently, content creators producing videos, blogs, or social media posts, digital marketers using AI for research, copywriting, and campaigns, office workers who want to automate repetitive tasks, and anyone completely new to artificial intelligence. However, if you're already an AI engineer, a machine learning researcher, or a data scientist, you'll probably find the course too basic. In simple terms, if your goal is to build the next ChatGPT, this isn't the course for you. But if you want to learn how to use today's AI tools effectively in your daily work and business, that's exactly what Coursiv is designed to do. So, what exactly do you learn inside Coursiv? The course is divided into practical sections, each focused on helping you use today's most popular AI tools in real-world situations. It starts with ChatGPT, where you learn how to write effective prompts, generate high-quality content, brainstorm ideas, and improve your daily productivity. Next is Claude, which focuses on analyzing documents, summarizing long reports, and helping you understand large amounts of information quickly. When it comes to image creation, you'll explore tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Canva AI, learning how to generate visuals, create designs, and speed up creative work. The course also introduces AI video generation with tools like Kling, showing how artificial intelligence can help create videos more efficiently. For research, you'll discover Perplexity, an AI-powered search tool that helps you find information faster and organize your research more effectively. You will learn how to use not only Perplexity, ChatGPT, Kling, but also many other AI tools. Beyond individual tools, Coursiv also covers practical business applications, including AI for marketing, writing professional emails, improving SEO, automating repetitive tasks, and increasing productivity. And rather than overwhelming you with hours of long lectures, the platform is designed around short daily lessons and practical challenges that encourage consistent learning and help build lasting habits over time. So, how does Coursiv actually work? The learning process is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. First, you take a short assessment quiz. This helps the platform understand your current knowledge, experience, and learning goals. Next, based on your answers, Coursiv creates a personalized learning path that's tailored to your skill level. From there, you walk through short, easy to follow lessons at your own pace, making it easier to learn without feeling overwhelmed. But learning isn't just about watching videos. After each lesson, you practice what you've learned using real AI tools and practical exercises. As you continue making progress and complete different parts of the course, you'll unlock certificates that recognize your achievements. It's a straightforward learning journey designed to help you build AI skills one step at a time. One of the biggest reasons Coursiv has become so popular is that it's designed with beginners in mind. You don't need any programming experience or technical background to get started. If you've never written a single line of code, you can still follow the lessons comfortably. Another advantage is the learning format. Instead of sitting through hours of lectures, most lessons are short and manageable, taking around 15 minutes a day. That makes it much easier to stay consistent, even with a busy schedule. Coursiv also introduces you to a variety of AI tools rather than focusing on just one. You learn when and how to use different tools for different tasks, giving you a broader understanding of today's AI landscape. Most importantly, the course focuses on practical skills. Instead of teaching theory alone, it shows real examples of how AI can be used in business, writing, marketing, graphic design, research, and everyday automation. The goal is simple: to help you apply AI to real work and solve real problems, not just learn about the technology. Of course, no course is perfect, and Coursiv is no exception. While it offers a solid introduction to artificial intelligence, it's important to understand what it does and what it doesn't offer. First, Coursiv won't turn you into an AI engineer or teach you how to build advanced AI models from scratch. If your goal is to develop machine learning systems or create tools like ChatGPT, you'll eventually need more technical courses in programming, mathematics, and data science. Second, if you already have experience using AI tools on a daily basis, you may find some of the beginner lessons a little too basic. It's also worth remembering that much of the knowledge covered in the course can be learned for free through YouTube tutorials, official documentation, and hands-on practice. The value of Coursiv comes from organizing that information into a structured learning path rather than offering knowledge that's completely exclusive. Finally, like many online learning platforms that use subscriptions, it's important to read the pricing and billing terms carefully before signing up so you understand exactly how the plan works. Understanding these limitations doesn't necessarily make Coursiv a bad course. It simply helps you decide whether it's the right fit for your goals. So, is Coursiv actually worth it? The answer depends on where you are in your AI journey. If you're completely new to artificial intelligence and you're looking for a clear, structured way to learn, then Coursiv can be a worthwhile investment. It's also a good option if you prefer following one organized learning path instead of spending hours searching through hundreds of YouTube videos, blog posts, and tutorials. However, if you already use AI tools every day, understand prompt engineering, or you're building AI-powered applications, you may not find enough new information to justify the cost. In that case, you might benefit more from advanced courses, official documentation, or learning directly through hands-on projects. At the end of the day, Coursiv isn't designed for everyone, and that's perfectly okay. The real question isn't whether Coursiv is good or bad. It's whether it's the right course for your current skill level, learning style, and goals. If it matches your needs, it could save you time and give you a structured starting point. If it doesn't, there are plenty of other ways to continue learning AI. Ultimately, the best investment is the one that helps you keep learning and consistently applying what you learn. So, after looking at everything, what's the final verdict? Coursiv isn't magic. It won't turn you into an AI expert overnight, and it won't replace years of experience or deep technical learning. But if you're completely new to artificial intelligence and you're looking for a structured introduction to today's most popular AI tools, Coursiv can be a valuable place to start. It gives you a clear learning path, practical examples, and a simple way to build confidence without feeling overwhelmed. At the end of the day though, no course can do the work for you. The real difference comes from consistently applying what you learn, experimenting with the tools, and building real projects over time. AI is changing the way we work, create, and solve problems. The people who succeed won't necessarily be the ones who buy the most courses. They'll be the ones who keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving. Thank you for watching. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI and technology explainers, and I'll see you in the next one.